Hey there, YouTubers. So my mom and dad got me this fillet table to keep down at my Astor fish camp, and so I thought I'd just do an unboxing video. I haven't done one of those forever. This is the Country Trails multi-use outdoor table. It is, how big is it? 44 inches by 23 inches by 32 and a half high. Hopefully that'll be tall enough. That seems a little short, so let's see what we got here. Oh, thought there might be a lot to put together, but maybe not. I'm not sure where they ordered this. I think it was Academy Sports, but I'm not 100% sure. Well, that's not too bad. I thought it might be too short, but it's not bad. Looks like we got to put the faucet together. Instructions here. Not a whole lot to it. Here's my fancy little sink. Faucet. Drain tube. Have that drain down into a bucket. Just hook the hose up to it, and that'll work pretty good. that's just junk. Well, I can see one problem with it. This piece here that's supposed to, you're supposed to attach the hose to, it doesn't move. I can get it on there, but then you got to twist your hose to attach this back. Okay guys, I ran to Walmart and I got this piece here, and so we'll be able to just screw that in there and put that up under the faucet, and then we'll be able to go into our hose. I don't know why they wouldn't give you that part, but we should be good to go now. Voila!